Hey my peeps, hey y'all, hey YouTube. Got a couple of knives here today that I'm gonna start working on. This is the Smith & Wesson Model 6084 American Series 1981 knife. As you can see, it's got some issues with the handle. There's a big chunk missing. The back of it is chewed up kind of. The blade, it's sharpened, but whoever sharpened it left some scratches on it. So I'm gonna get rid of those scratches and re-sharpen it the correct way, and mirror polish it. And the brass has some issues. I'm gonna clean that up, and the sheath has some issues. Nice sheath, I really like it. Like this rust, I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna redo the leather on the sheath. It's got a few issues. It's gonna look great. I got this 820 police knife. It's a nice knife. Smith & Wesson. It's sharp. It's got some issues on the blade. I don't know if that's just grime or dirt or beginnings of rust. It might be the beginnings of rust, but I have something that'll take care of that. And it's got the sheath has some issues, but I can work with this. Made in the USA. That's what I like to see. But yeah, it's got, I don't know, I guess you'd call it leather mold or whatever. Looks a little ragged. I can fix that up, fix all that up, and I'll let you guys see what it looks like in the next video.